guys, what's up? It's Brianna. Today I'm going to be filming a YouTube video for you guys. Obviously it's a YouTube video because it's on YouTube and you guys are watching it on YouTube right now. But today I'm going to be filming this makeup look for you guys. As you can see, it's a nice purpley smoky eye. Has a little bit of glitter, so stay tuned for that jazz. But anyways, this video was already too long for me to just ramble in the beginning of the video. So without further ado, let's just get started with this video. Hi guys. Sorry about the lighting. But you can't even tell, but I'm literally sitting in front of a window. I have this one bright ass light for lighting today, you guys. I went off camera and just prepped my eyelids because I'm going to do eyeshadow today first because there's going to be a little fallout and I don't want that on my foundation. So I didn't even do my brows yet. I'm going to do them after my foundation and all that good stuff. I want to go for like a purple smoky eye today, so I want to use this glitter that comes in this NYX container you see. Also, please don't mind my broken nails. I'm so sorry. Ooh, I think I just found a pretty matte. This is the Pro Fusion palette. I'm actually going to use this because it has this nice purple matte shade. Yes, bitch. So this looks like this. And it's this shade right here. I'm going to go with my Lamora tapered blending brush, 110. Just pick this up. Hopefully it's not going to be patchy, which we'll see. Hopefully this does not get in the way. But yeah, I did not set my concealer down. Oh my god, do you guys see the pigment? Okay, I was expecting this to be like really patchy, but it's coming off like, oh my goodness gracious. Okay, so I'm just gonna set the eyeshadow there and then just pick up a big ass blending brush. This is a Lamora All Over Shader 111 brush. I'm just gonna blend the shadow upward. Now, taking the same first Lamora brush that I used with the tapered blending, and I'm gonna go in to my Pro Fusion palette. I just used this one, so now I'm gonna go in with this one. This one's just a tad bit darker. I'm just placing this one just a tad bit below it, keeping it on the outer corner. I want to go into this nice purple shade, this one right here. This is a Morphe M421 brush, and I'm just going to pick that purple shade up and put this on the lids. Now that I just put that on the lid, I'm going to go in with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette and go in with the only purple shade in this palette and pack that on the outer V. Going back in with the first brush that I used. Going back in with the BH Cosmetics palette, I'm going to go with this shade right here. Yes, I did have to repress that. Pigment, yes. Take this makeup wipe and clean it up. Because there's a bunch of fallout. I don't know if you guys can really tell, but there is a bunch of fallout. We don't want that. This is the glue that I'm going to be using for the glitter. So I'm just taking this brush that I don't really care about. It's just an e.l.f. small smudging brush. Looking like that. You guys probably couldn't even see that. But yeah, the glue looks like that. So I'm just going to take it and put this right here. I'm going to use the Morphe M21 brush that I used to put the purple eyeshadow on my lid. So, I'm just taking this and I'm just going to... Yes, bitch. Yes. So I'm just going to take my Benefit Professional. I'm going to go ahead and do my foundation now. For foundation, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Coverage HD High Definition Long Wear Illuminating Foundation. Oh my god, that was a long ass name. Anyways, I'm going to be using this foundation. This is in the shade Fair. This does oxidize a little bit. I have gotten a little bit tanner, so hopefully this matches me. So, I'm just going to squirt this on my face. Last time I used this, I know this oxidized like so bad on me. Okay, but where did that go is the question. I'm just going to take my Morphe sponge and I'm just going to blend this into my face. I did not put enough on my face. Don't know why. But we're just going to deal with this and then I'll go in with the second layer. Don't know why I didn't put enough on. What the fuck? So I'm going for a real full coverage today, yes. I haven't worn makeup in days, you guys. Like days. Because I got sunburned. I went to Orlando. If you guys didn't see that vlog, I'll link it down below. There's actually three. That's not three. There's just 3 different parts to that vlog. So if you guys want to check it out, I'll have it all linked down below. But yeah, I went there and I got really sunburned. It was nothing like terrible, but I got sunburned. So, you know, my face was all red and stuff, so I couldn't like put foundation over top of that. My face, as I said before, I did not put enough on. I don't know why I didn't. Oh my god, it keeps dripping everywhere. Now moving on to concealer, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is in Fair Neutral. It's a little light for me. So I just put it like my T-zone area. This stuff is so brightening. Like, look at that, guys. Yes. Now I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier setting powder. Oh my god, I put so much. And I'm just going to take another beauty blender that is dry and set my under eyes. Now just taking a big fluffy powder brush, going in with the Laura Mercier powder. I'm just setting the rest of my face. I'm just going to do my eyebrows really fast, so I don't ever do this on camera. This video is going to be very long if I include this. So I'm just going to go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera and I'll be back. Hey guys, so I'm back with the completed eyebrows. Now I'm going to go into bronzer because I haven't done this yet. Usually I do this like way before all this, but I'm doing my makeup a little bit differently today. This is the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. Just going to take a little bit of this on a e.l.f. small tapered brush. And I'm just going to chisel out my cheekbones. This is the NARS Orgasm. And just sweep this onto my cheeks. Now we're gonna go in with highlighter. Yes, this is my favorite part, guys. I'm just gonna use the Jeffree Star one because I've been holding it up, so I might as well just use it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the Mara Badescu spray, the rose water one. Sorry, the lighting is like kind of washing it out. But this is my Real Techniques brush. This is a setting brush. I always use this for highlighting. It's amazing. So I'm just going to spray that to get it a little bit wet. And then I'm going to dip into Princess Cut. Sorry, you guys can see everything. This is what it looks like. It's very pretty. It's like a nice pinky highlight. Here she comes, you guys. Here she comes. Oh my gosh. I love highlighters so much. I'm gonna not go a little like crazy like I always do. I always go like so heavily handed. We're not gonna do that today. I'm also just gonna bring this on my brow bone a little bit. It's time for eyelashes. I'm just gonna use my favorite eyelashes at the moment, which I need to get a new pair of because these ones are kind of getting old now. Because I've used them so many times. But these are my Dodo Mink lashes. You guys can get these for $5. $5 freaking bucks, and they look amazing. They literally look like the Lily lashes, Miami style. So if you guys like cheap like me, you don't got money to spend like $35 on eyelashes, I feel you, girl. Go get you some Dodo lashes. They're literally $5. I don't know how much it was for shipping because I got these as a present for my birthday. Oh yeah. But another $5 on the website. This is the style D115. I'm just gonna take this Sex Kitten, what is what it says, Tarte liner. I'm just going to line my eyes so it could be like blended in with the eyelash line. So I'm just gonna quickly do this, you know. So I'm just gonna put the glue on my lashes now. I just use the black duo glue, works the best. And now, while we're waiting for the glue to get tacky, I'm going to go ahead and curl my eyelashes and apply mascara. And I'm just going to use the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. Yeah, Lights Camera Lashes. So just curling my lash real quick. Oh, wait. Before I do this, I need to quickly set my face because I don't like putting on mascara because I feel like it like kind of bleeds a little bit. So. Okay, this is just an e.l.f. Illuminating Mist and Set Spray. It's very hydrating. It smells awful. Alright, so I'm just going to go in with the shade underneath my eyes. And I'm just going to take a Morphe M431 brush and just pick up that purple and just put this underneath my eyes. Yeah. Alright, before my lashes dry completely, I'm going to go ahead and apply them. Sorry, I'm not even like showing you guys my eyelashes, so I'll probably just like skip through that part. I'm so sorry. Still taking this Morphe M31 brush and just picking up the Morphe shade from Jacqueline Nail palette. The only purple shade in there, so. And just putting this underneath my eyes. Now that we have that done, I'm going to go ahead and put lower mascara on now. Yeah, I have to get close to the mirror for this, so I'm just going to skip through this part too. Alright, so this is what we're looking like right now. I just have to do a lip, and then we're going to be done with this. Look. It took forever, but it looks good. I'm just going to use a Wet n Wild gel lip liner. And this is in the shade 651B Bear to Comment. I'm just going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Lip Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is like the same shade as this, so we're going to tone it down a little bit too with this lip gloss to make it kind of more nude. This is like a little purpley, but I guess it's okay. Alright, lip color has dried down. Going to this is not turning out the nude I want it to be. So this is the completed makeup look. I hope you guys like it. If you guys do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Tell me what makeup tutorials I should do next. I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below to my channel to see more videos of mine. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!